Hello, this is Mr. Jackson, and this is the makeup assignment for the reconstruction amendments that we did in class. You should have already completed a grid that looks similar to this. And now we're going to complete this grid together with the information that we decided in class. So, get out the blank grid that you also were given for this makeup assignment, and I want you to copy down this following grid exactly as it is written. If you need to pause it for any reason, please feel free to do so. But you're going to write down exactly the title, what it means, and the political, social, or economic impact of each amendment. Again, feel free to pause for as long as you need. Alright, now that we've got all that figured out, we're going to make our foldable. You're giving a piece of cardstock. It looks like a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper, a little more stable than paper. You're going to fold it like a hamburger. You're going to leave about an inch down at the bottom when you fold this. Just like this. There is a little bit down at the bottom. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and fold that. Just like this. A little bit of a 1-inch margin or so down at the bottom. On that margin, you are going to write Reconstruction Amendment. It's going to look like this when you are done. Reconstruction Amendments along the bottom. And this folds open, just like this. Okay. The next step is you're going to tri-fold. You're going to take this, and you're going to fold it like a pamphlet in 3 sections. Fold it once like this, crease it, and fold it again into the crease, just like this, and crease it. It should fold up into a nice little pamphlet similar to this. There we are. Once you have these folded, we're going to open this up all the way, just like this. You will notice that there are creases here and here. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the crease, straight down, only until you get to this halfway crease. So you're going to cut here, and you're going to cut here. That way, when you are done, you will end up with something that looks similar to this. 3 flaps, only cut halfway, just like this. Now, we are going to take the grid that we filled out, and we're going to make each one of these flaps one of the amendments. On my first flap, I'm going to write my amendment number. I'm going to write my amendment title, and I'm going to, on the inside, write what it means for the amendment. So, for example, I'm going to start off with the 13th Amendment, slavery abolished. And then on the inside, I'm going to write, slavery is illegal in the United States. I will continue this on for the 14th and 15th Amendment. As you can see, here I used a Roman numeral. Here I used common numbers, the 14th Amendment. Whichever you're comfortable with using, please feel free to do so. Again, the number of the amendment, the title of the amendment, and then on the inside, you're going to write what the amendment means to us, as per the grid that we filled out together just a few moments ago. When you are completely done, this is what you should have, something that looks very similar to this. I've got my 3 amendments, 13, 14, and 15. I've got my 3 titles right here. And on the inside, I have all the meanings of my amendments for easy access for studying for these amendments. Now remember, when you are completely done, make sure on the back you put your name and your hour. That way that Mr. Jackson can grade them and get them back to the right person. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask Ms. Smith. If not, I hope you enjoyed this assignment, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Have a great day.